Ever wonder how social media decides what pops up on your feed every time you scroll? The answer might surprise you. Welcome to PlugChimp. Here's another video packed with technical facts just for you. Ever scrolled through your social media feed and wondered, how did they know I wanted to see that? Well, you're not alone. Every time you open your favorite app, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, there's a hidden force at work, deciding what content pops up on your screen. It's not magic, it's algorithms. These digital wizards are constantly working behind the scenes, shaping your online experience in ways you might not even realize. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and diving into your social media world before you've even had your first sip of coffee. As you scroll, you see a mix of your best friend's vacation photos, a viral dance challenge, and an ad for those shoes you were eyeing last week. With billions of users posting every day, it would be impossible to show you everything. They influence our perceptions, our conversations, and even our worldviews. Have you ever wondered how and why you seem to see more content that aligns with your existing beliefs? Understand that what you're seeing is curated, not a complete picture of reality. They're the invisible hands guiding our digital experiences, for better or worse. By understanding how they work, we can be more conscious consumers of social media, making informed choices about what we engage with and how we let it shape our online and offline lives. So the next time you're scrolling through your feed, take a moment to think about the complex dance of data and decisions happening behind each post. It might just change how you see your digital world. Try following accounts with diverse viewpoints to broaden your feed. Engage with content you find meaningful, not just what's easy to consume. And remember, you have some control. Most platforms allow you to customize your feed to some extent. That's the algorithm in action, making what folks call an echo chamber. It's a double-edged sword. While it's great to see content you enjoy, it can also limit your exposure to diverse perspectives. They're constantly analyzing your behavior for every like, comment, share, and even how long you linger on a post. Sometimes it's to keep users engaged, other times it's in response to public concerns or regulatory pressures. For instance, many platforms have made efforts to promote authoritative sources during health crises or to reduce the spread of misinformation during elections. Some, like TikTok, are all about those addictive short videos that keep you scrolling for hours. Others, like LinkedIn, might push professional content and job postings. Instagram loves its visual content, while Twitter thrives on real-time updates and conversations. By favoring certain types of content, these algorithms don't just show you what's out there, they shape how you use and think about each platform. They're also peeking at what your friends are up to, figuring out what's trending, and considering factors like how recent a post is. It's like having a super smart friend who knows your tastes better than you do, always ready with a recommendation. Platforms need a way to filter and prioritize content, ensuring you see posts that keep you engaged and coming back for more. Without algorithms, your feed would be an overwhelming mess of unrelated content, and you'd probably lose interest pretty quickly. It feels random, but it's not. Social media algorithms are like invisible curators, sifting through millions of posts to serve up content they think you'll love. But why do these algorithms exist in the first place? It's simple, there's just too much stuff out there. So, how do these digital matchmakers work their magic? Different platforms have their own secret sauce when it comes to prioritizing content. The impact of these algorithms goes beyond just determining what memes you see next. Social media companies are well aware of the power their algorithms wield, and they're constantly tweaking and adjusting them. So, what can you do in this algorithm-driven world? First, be aware. Follow accounts that challenge your thinking, inspire you, or bring fresh ideas. Support creators and topics that truly interest you instead of clicking on clickbait or sensational posts that might only add noise. Your interactions shape what the algorithm serves next. Mix things up so your feed isn't an echo chamber of the same opinions or repetitive content. Because platforms give you ways to customize your experience, therefore take advantage of them. A cleaner, more curated feed can lead to better mental well-being. Remember, variety is the spice of life, even on social media. Don't let the algorithm decide your mood, your opinions, or your self-worth. Know that the content you see isn't a random collection. It's tailored, curated, and sometimes designed to keep you hooked longer than you realize. Just stay aware. Awareness is the first step to taking back control. Next, take charge of your feed. Don't just passively scroll, be intentional. Misinformation can spread quickly when algorithms favor sensational content. By being a careful consumer, you help slow down the wildfire of fake news and divisive posts. Use app timers or schedule social media breaks to prevent burnout and maintain balance in your digital life. Engage thoughtfully. The algorithm loves when you like, comment, and share, but make sure it's meaningful. Mute, unfollow, or block content and accounts that don't add value or make you feel overwhelmed. Use the tools available to you. Disconnect to reconnect with the real world. Spend time with friends, go outside, read a book, or just enjoy quiet moments. Social media should be a tool, not a trap. Be critical of what you see. Question the sources and double-check before sharing. Set boundaries for your screen time. Algorithms are designed to keep you scrolling, but your time is precious. Remember that behind every post, every video, and every story, there's a person or a machine trying to capture your attention. Sometimes, just take a step back and breathe. They shape our feeds and decide what we see, often without us even realizing it. But knowing this gives us power. We can choose how we engage, what we let in, and how we stay connected to the world beyond the screen. So, while algorithms may influence what pops up next, it's up to us to keep our minds open and our perspectives wide. By staying aware, being intentional, and using the tools at your disposal, you can navigate this algorithm-driven world with your eyes wide open and your mind clear. Social media algorithms are here to stay, like it or not. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.